mbele. Mwalimu wewe usome na wao. Mpaka saa hii.
And again instruction.
Yes, full instructions.
Faster, faster, faster.
Down, up, 14, down, up, 15, down, up, 16, down, up, 17, down, up, 18, down, up, 19, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, keep on, 1, 2, 8, and 9, to 10, let's go, 1, 2, 7, 8, let's go, 9, 10, stretch, 2, and 3, keep on, 4, let's go, 5.
Message to the youth is avoid indulging your activities, because when that time comes for us to recruit, we shall have to dig deeper in your background. If you have at any time been involved in criminal activities, the fingerprinting process automatically will detect and will bring you out. So mine is that avoid indulging in those activities if you ever dream of joining the KDF. Also avoid tattooing yourself, because we don't allow and we cannot recruit any person who has tattooed himself in the KDF. KDF recruitment process is open, merit-based, and closely controlled and monitored. We do also allow the public to come and witness how the process is being conducted and how everything is being carried out. KDF does not and will not ask for bribes, give bribes, nor tolerate corruption. It is a corruption-free activity, and if you come across any such, please, you are allowed to either contact a nearby police station or a KDF unit, or call the EACC Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission contacts.